We need to wash some dirty vehicles. Let's clean the taxi. Rinse off the truck. It's soaking wet. We should dry the truck. Fantastic! It's squeaky clean. We need to clean the bike. Great job! To the car wash we go. Cool! Now let's scrub it up. Look at all the bubbles. It's time to rinse off the bike. It's soaking wet. We should dry the bike. Fantastic! It's squeaky clean.